Good morning. Namaste. Thank you for joining me for an express yoga class. We'll flow for about 30 minutes. So please find a comfortable seat, whatever that means for you today. Cross legged, half lotus, full lotus. Gently close the eyes. Take a deep inhale through the nose. Exhale out the mouth. Let's Om. Om. Let's sing a short kirtan together. Om, 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 you go. Om, 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 Om. 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 Om Namah Shivaya, Om Namah Shivaya. Om Namah Shivaya, Om Namah Shivaya. Shivaya Namaha, Shivaya Namah Om. Shivaya Namah Om, Om Namah Shivaya. Om, 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 Om. Om, 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 Om. Come to blink the eyes open. Slowly holding the mantra in your mind, in your energy. And let's make our way onto the mat. Let's begin by walking the hands out in front. It's a move I love to do. Stretch out the lower back. You can stop halfway. Adjust, pull your sit bones back down to the mat. Inhale, look forward. And then exhale, come forward. Inhale. Exhale, walk the hands over to the right. Inhale here. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Slowly walk the hands over to the left. Inhale here, look forward, and exhale, surrender down. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale, walk the hands back to center. Walk them back up toward the body. Bring your right hand to the outside of your right thigh, or bring your forearm down. Lift the left arm overhead, taking that great side body stretch. Few breaths here. Inhale. Exhale. Let's switch to the other side. Bring your left hand down, or your forearm, your right arm cascades overhead, stretching that right side body. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Come back up to center. Bring your left hand to the outside of your right knee. Just take a gentle twist. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale, come back to center and just twist to the other side. Exhale. Inhale, come back up to center. And let's bring our hands down, bringing the body into cat-cow. Inhale, drop the belly. Roll the shoulders back, look up. Exhale, round the spine, bringing your gaze to your navel. Keep going like that. A few more breaths. Inhale, drop the belly. Roll the shoulders back, look up. Exhale. Around the spine, bringing the gaze to your navel. Inhale, one more. Come forward. Exhale. Bring the gaze to your navel. Inhale, come back to center. Exhale here. Inhale, lift the right arm up toward the sky, and then exhale, thread the needle, bringing your right hand underneath your left arm. Lifting your left arm up and going for the bind, or just bringing it around your back to open up the shoulder. Take a few deep breaths here, sending prana into your shoulders, your little tight spots there. Inhale. Exhale, left hand comes down, right arm comes high. Open that twist up. Good. Exhale down. Inhale, left arm comes up high. Exhale, thread it underneath, bringing your left ear to the ground. That right arm now comes behind you, either reaching for the bind or just resting on your back so that right shoulder now can open. And breathe. Inhale. Exhale, right hand comes down, left arm sweeps up high. And exhale, come back down. Tuck the toes under, and then slowly make your way to downward facing dog, rising up from your core. So feel like you're pulling your navel up to your spine, and with that energy, come all the way up. Yeah, the downward facing dog. Pedal it out here. Twist out the hips. Shake the head. Yes. No. Flubber the lips. Inhale, lift the right leg up high behind you. Open up the hip. Bend the knee. Make some circles with your ankle in one direction, then the other. And then with your knee in one direction, maybe just one big circle in each direction. Using the breath to open up the body. Inhale, right leg comes up high. Exhale, bring your knee to your nose. Drop your foot between your hands, coming into this like darting lizard pose. And drop the back knee down. Inhale, sweep the arms up. Anjaneyasana. You can hook the thumbs up overhead for a slightly deeper stretch. Inhale here. Exhale. Hands come down inside your right foot. Walk the right foot out a little bit, coming into an early lizard. Stay here high in your hands, or maybe come down to your forearms. Working those hips, stretching them out. You can rock from side to side if that feels good. And then come back up high into your hands. Walk your foot back into the midline. Inhale, look forward. Exhale, take it back. Ardha Hanumanasana, half split pose, aka runner's lunge. You can move your foot from side to side here to open up the backs of the legs a little bit more if that feels good for you. And your next inhale, step your right foot into the ground. Tuck your back toes under, straighten both legs, coming into pyramid. Inhale here, look forward. Exhale, fold it down. You can ripple, inhale, come forward. Exhale, come back down. Inhale, come forward. Exhale, down. Inhale, plant the palms, step back, downward facing dog. Again, pedal it out, twist it out, stretch it out. Inhale, lift the left leg up, open up the hips. Good. Make some circles with your ankle in one direction and the other. Then make some circles with your hip in one direction and the other. Inhale, lift the leg up high behind you. Exhale, bring your knee to your nose. Bring your foot between your hands. And just stay in this kind of like darting lunge for just a few breaths. And then bring the back knee down. Inhale, sweep the arms up, coming to Anjaneyasana. Hold it here. One breath. Inhale. Exhale, hands come down inside. your left foot, walk the foot out a little bit. We're going to come into lizard. Stay high on your hands or come down onto your forearms, whatever feels good for you today. And walk the hands back up. Walk the foot more into the midline. Inhale, look forward. Exhale, take it back. Ardha Hanumanasana. Oof. You can rock that foot from side to side if that feels good. One more inhale. Exhale, press that left foot into the ground. Tuck the back toes under, straighten both legs. Coming into pyramid, walk that back foot in. Inhale, look forward, square the hips. Exhale, fold. Inhale, look forward. Exhale, fold. Inhale, look forward. Exhale, press your left foot in the ground. Send your right foot forward. So both feet are at the top of your mat. Yeah, inhale here. Exhale, fold it forward, grabbing opposite elbows. Maybe bending one knee then the other, swaying from side to side. And then release your hands down to the mat. Press your feet into the ground, bend your knees, and then slowly roll all the way up to stand. Bringing arms up overhead. And then exhale, bringing your hands down by your side. Setting up in Tadasana. Feet are planted in the ground, arms are down by your side. Gaze is soft. You can even close your eyes here and set an intention for your practice today. Setting up for Surya Namaskar A. Inhale, raise arms, press palms, look up. Exhale, fold it down. Inhale, look forward. Exhale, plant the palms, step back, lower down, Chaturanga. You bring your knees down, however you want to go today. Inhale, upward facing dog. Exhale, downward facing dog. Inhale. Exhale, one. Inhale. Exhale, two. Inhale. Exhale, three. Inhale. Feel your sit bones rising up to the ceiling. Feel some space being created between your shoulder blades. One more inhale. Exhale, bend knees, look forward. Inhale, step, jump, float the feet forward to meet the hands. Exhale, fold it down. Inhale, rise up, press palms overhead, look up. Exhale, fold it right back down. Inhale, look forward. Exhale, plant the palms, step back, lower down, Chaturanga, elbows in, gazes forward as you lower. Inhale, upward facing dog. Exhale, downward facing dog. Inhale. Exhale. One. Inhale. Exhale. Two. Inhale. Exhale. Three. Engage that deep ujjayi breath at the base of the throat, that oceanic breath, and let that breath move you from one asana to another. One more inhale. Exhale, bend knees, look forward. Inhale, step, jump, float the feet forward to meet the hands. Exhale, fold. Inhale, rise all the way up, press palms overhead. Exhale, pour it back down, Uttanasana. Inhale, look forward. Exhale, plant the palms, step back, lower down, Chaturanga. Inhale, upward facing dog. Exhale, downward facing dog. Inhale. Exhale, one. Inhale. Exhale, two. Inhale. Exhale, three. And when the mind wanders, bring it back to the breath. It's like you're tacking the breath, the thoughts onto the breath in a way. Inhale. Exhale, bend knees, look forward. Inhale, step, jump, flip the feet forward. Exhale, fold it down. Inhale, rise all the way up, press palms overhead, look up. Exhale, hands come down by your sides, Tadasana. Moving on, sitting in Namaskar B. Inhale, bend knees, press palms, Utkatasana, chair pose. Exhale, fold it down, Uttanasana. Inhale, look forward. Exhale, plant the palms, step back, lower down, Chaturanga. Inhale, upward facing dog. Exhale, downward facing dog. Inhale. Bring the right foot forward, ground the back heel down, rise up, warrior one here. Virabhadrasana one. Check your alignment. Make sure your hips are squaring toward the front of the room, front of the mat. Breath is strong and steady. One more inhale. Exhale, open it up. Virabhadrasana 2, warrior 2 here. Feet stay where they are. Legs are strong. Shoulders are dropping down your back. Inhale. Exhale, gaze is pointed over your front middle finger. Then inhale, bring the right arm forward and back, reversing the warrior. Bend a little bit further into that front knee. Inhale. Exhale, lift the chest up to the sky. Inhale. Exhale. Windmill the hands down, step it back. Take the vinyasa or go right to downward facing dog. Lower down chaturanga. Inhale, upward facing dog. Exhale, downward facing dog. Inhale, bring the left foot forward, rise up. Virabhadrasana 1, warrior 1. Again, check your alignment. Make sure your hips are moving toward, rotating toward the top of the mat. Gaze is up at your fingertips. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale, open it up now, warrior 2. Gaze is over that front middle finger. Arms are spread like with equal energy in both directions. So you're not kind of like doing this thing, but your torso is somewhere right in the middle. Good. One more inhale. Exhale. Inhale, come forward and back. Reversing the warrior, keeping that bend in your left knee. I know your thighs are burning. One more inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Cartwheel it down. Step back, lower down, chaturanga. Inhale, upward facing dog. Exhale, downward facing dog. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale, bend knees, look forward. Inhale, step, jump, float the feet forward. Exhale, fold it down. Inhale, bend knees, press palms, Utkatasana, chair pose. Exhale, bring it right back down, Uttanasana. Inhale, look forward. Exhale, plant the palms, step, jump, float back, lower down, chaturanga. Inhale, upward facing dog. Exhale, downward facing dog. Inhale, bring the right foot forward, rise up. Virabhadrasana 1, warrior 1. Exhale, open it up, warrior 2. Inhale, reverse the warrior. Exhale, bring it forward, Utthita Parshvakonasana, extended side angle. You can do the version where your forearm's on your thigh or your right hand is outside of your right foot, or maybe you want to bind it this morning. Your asana, your way. The chest is opening to the sky wherever you are. One more inhale. Exhale. Inhale, bring the left hand down. Come into the ball of your back foot. Bring the right arm high. Take the twist. And then stay here or go ahead and make your way into side plank. However you do it, right? You can bring your right foot, stack it on top of your left like that. Or you can take your peace fingers, wrap them around your big toe, and then go for the bind. 2, 3, 4, 5. Release. Lower down, chaturanga. Inhale, upward facing dog. Exhale, downward facing dog. Inhale, bring the left foot forward, ground the back heel down, rise up, warrior 1. Exhale, open it up, warrior 2. Inhale, reverse the warrior. Exhale, bring it forward. Utthita Parshvakonasana. Same deal on this side as the other side. Go for the same expression of the pose if that's possible. And breathe. It may feel a little different, right? One side is more open, one side is stronger, one side dominant, one side more passive. It's okay. We're trying to even them out through the practice. One more inhale. Exhale, bring the right hand down, come into the ball of your back foot, lift the left arm high in the sky, taking that twist, and then make your way into Vashisthasana side plank. Same version as you did before. 2, 3, 4, 5. Release. Take the vinyasa, go right to downward facing dog. Inhale, upward. Exhale, down dog. Take a few moments to catch your breath. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale, bring the right foot forward, ground the back heel down, lift it up, Virabhadrasana 1. Exhale, Virabhadrasana 2. Inhale, straighten out front knee, walk the back foot in, setting up for Trikonasana, triangle pose. Inhale, exhale, extend, and then release down. That right hand comes to your shin or your ankle, or maybe your peace fingers are wrapped around your big toes today. Wherever you are, try to really hone in on this like elongation of the side body and this expansion of the chest, of the heart center. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, lift the right arm up halfway. Bring the left hand to match like you're holding a beach ball. Hold it here, 2, 3, 4. Inhale, come up all the way. And then bring your body back into Virabhadrasana 2, Warrior 2. Inhale, circle the left arm down and up, coming into high lunge. Come into the ball of your back foot. Exhale here. Inhale. Exhale, bring the back knee down. Inhale, lift it up. Exhale, bring it down. Inhale, lift it up. Exhale, bring it down. Inhale, lift it up, and then twist to the right. Oof. Parivrtta. Parshvakonasana, twisted side angle. Hands can come into prayer, or you can open them up, or maybe you're going to bind it today. 2, 3, 4, 5. Hands come down to either side of your front foot. Straighten your front leg. Let's go for pyramid, part 2. Square the hips to the top of the mat. Inhale, look forward. Exhale, fold it down. Legs are engaged, right? Quads are engaged to protect the lower back from overextending here. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, look forward. Exhale, cross the left hand across the right foot. Bring the right arm high. Parivrtta Trikonasana. Whoops. And then engage the quads. Look up. 2, 3, 4, 5. Hands come down. Step back. Lower down. Take the vinyasa. Go right to downward facing dog. Inhale, upward facing dog. Exhale. Downward facing dog, left side. Inhale, bring the left foot forward, rise up, Virabhadrasana 1. Exhale, Virabhadrasana 2. Inhale, straighten the front leg, walk the back foot in. Trikonasana, inhale here, exhale. Hold it down, bring the right arm high, left hand goes low, and breathe. Feeling the expansiveness in the side body and the heart center. Inhale, exhale. Using the abs, bring the left arm high, bring the right arm to meet it like you're holding a beach ball. 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale, lift up. Exhale, warrior 2. Inhale, bring the right arm down and up, coming to this high lunge. Find your high lunge in the ball of your back foot. Good. Inhale, chest lifts, thighs release. Inhale, exhale, come down. Inhale, rise up. Exhale, down. Inhale, rise up. Exhale down. Inhale, rise up, and then twist to the left. Parvrita Parshvakonasana. Twisted side angle, same version as you did on the other side, with hands pressed in prayer, or open like wings, or maybe you're bound today. One more inhale. Exhale, hands come down to the ground to frame your front foot. Walk your back foot in, straighten both legs, coming to pyramid. Inhale here. Exhale, fold it down. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale, look forward. Exhale, bring your right hand across your left foot and twist. Parvrita Trikonasana. Really engage those thighs. Square the hips. Lift the chest. Inhale. Exhale. Bring both hands down to the mat. And then step back. Lower down. Chaturanga. We love it. Inhale, upward facing dog. Exhale, downward facing dog. Inhale. Exhale, bend knees, look forward. Inhale, step, jump, float forward. Exhale, fold. Inhale, bend knees, press palms, Utkatasana. Exhale, come to stand, Tadasana. All right, inhale, bend knees, press palms, Utkatasana. Exhale, fold, Uttanasana. Inhale, look forward. Exhale, step back, lower down, Chaturanga. Inhale, upward facing dog. Exhale, downward facing dog. Inhale, lift the right leg up, high behind you. Exhale, bring it through for pigeon. Oh yes, pigeon, yay. Inhale here, exhale, take it down. And just release the breath. Opening up those hips here. If your forehead's on the ground, you can move it from side to side, massaging that third eye. That seat of intuition and knowing, giving it a little massage. One more deep inhale. Exhale. Inhale, walk the hands back. Sit on your right sit bone, bring the left leg around, sitting up for seated spinal twist. Inhale, lift the right arm high. Exhale, twist it behind you. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale, detwist. Come back to center. Let's do one Navasana. Legs like this, straight or bent. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Release, hug it in. Great job. And from here, let's just come to pigeon on the other side. Bring your left shin down, right leg back. Inhale, look up. Exhale, take it down. Pigeon, feels so good. And just breathe. And if it doesn't feel so good, just breathe through it. Right? The mind may resist these openings. There's a lot of, I can't, we shouldn't, it's not for us. In a lot of identification, right? I have tight hips, you know? We identify, and when we identify, we cement these belief systems. So use the breath to undo some of that, to loosen the cement, right? Of who you think you are and what you think you're capable of. Walk the hands back toward the body. Sit on your left sit bone, wrap the right leg around, twist to the back. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, detwist. And let's come back around. Let's do one round of Baddha Konasana. Bring the soles of your feet together. Take your peace fingers, wrap them around your big toes. Inhale here, come forward. On the exhale, press your elbows into your inner thighs to help them release a little bit more. Run the shoulders back and down. Let the body and mind, the body mind, expand in its own time. Inhale, come back up to sit. Bring your hands underneath your knees. Let your feet come out in front of you. Inhale, look up. And then exhale, come forward. Paschimottanasana. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, come to rise all the way up. Let's come down for one quick inversion. Either shoulder stand or waterfall, depending. Just a few breaths here. And then bring your legs all the way down to the mat, setting up for Matsyasana, fish pose. Push the forearms into the ground, lift the chest, crown of the head comes back. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale, release. Inhale. Exhale, open the throat, the mouth, stick out the tongue. And then inhale, lift the chin into the chest, come all the way down, tuck the knees into the chest. You can rock and roll side to side. We'll make little circles on your sacrum, and we're going to roll all the way up to sit and have a brief shavasana. In seated meditation, you can bring your forearms and your thumbs in this mudra. Let them rest over your knees, roll the shoulders back. And just take a few breaths here. Try to imagine your spine lifting up toward the sky. Picture it a column filled with light, running up, light running down. Each little filament, each little spark, creating a more expansive, more all-encompassing version of you. Gently blink the eyes open. Let's close singing our mantras. Loka samasta sukhinu bhavantu. May all beings everywhere be full of happiness, is what it says. Let's do our part to help it be that way. Loka samasta sukhinu bhavantu. Loka samasta sukhinu bhavantu. Loka samasta sukhinu bhavantu. Shanti, shanti, shanti. Bring your hands to prayer at heart center, gently bowing your head to your hands. Know that the true teacher, the source of all love, all light, all wisdom resides inside of you. Om Balo Sadguru Bhagavan Ki Jai. Namaste.